Today we have from Mr. Christmas the deluxe lights and sounds of Christmas. This is a model number 67795. We haven't seen stuff like this for some time, since Tutty Ruxpin or Mother Goose. But the problem we're having with this one is intermittent audio. We've gone ahead and stepped ahead and already straightened it out, but we're going to show you the problems that we found on the way. For disassembly on this unit, you have to remove 5 screws along the back. These screws will allow you to remove this panel. The good thing on this, all the screws here happen to be the same size, so there's no confusion as to where they go back to. We're going to save them in a cup off to the side here. Then we're going to take our long Phillips screwdriver, because there are screws as well along the bottom. We have 2 at the one end here, 1 in the center here, 1 in the center here, and 2 at the opposite end, and 1 more up here on the top where the speaker assembly is. Now that we have that, all these screws removed, we're going to unlock the plastic panel here, because it is attached to the top half of the unit, and this is going to allow us to slide the top cover slightly back. Now, this is going to give access to several things here. We have a circuit board standing up here in the back of the unit, and we're going to pull this up and turn it over. We have all the other wires going to the external components that work here too, but this main circuit board that sits here is in a guide, and you can pull it up to release it. Okay. It came right out the first time. Come on. Okay. And it pulls up out of the guides. We have the one connector that'll have to line up when it goes back in for audio input here on the side. But we did open it up, take a look at the circuitry here. We do have a power supply here. We had the AC voltage coming in on one end, going through the rectifier, giving us a 15 volts DC. We also took a look at where the speaker was coming in, and if the speaker was good, we put our meter across the speaker, and the speaker was reading the correct value. We also checked the volume control pot up here in the top of the unit here for resistance, make sure there's no opening, and at both ends of the control we got different readings. We did take a quick look at the board and saw nothing till we started probing and went further into the unit and saw that the speaker comes back to a chip over here on the side. We looked closer at the chip, and this small 8-pin chip had poor solder on it. As we were probing it to check voltages, the audio would cut in and out. So we repaired the solder here. We checked all other solder connections on the board. The rest all seemed to be good. We did touch up a couple others as well. But this took care of the problem on Mr. Christmas. If you have any problems or questions about these, please watch this video. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.